On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. But you could import motions from other folders on your computer. If I go to Modify and Import Motion, I have a bunch of other motions down here in a folder somewhere on my computer, and I believe there's something called Waiting Impatiently, and I'd like to use that. So let me find that. And I think it's down here somewhere. Here it is. I'll click on that, and it'll bring it into the scene. Yeah, that looks a little better. He's walking around in a circle, and basically what he's going to be saying here is, nurse, send in the next patient. So that motion will match that. And I'd like the scene to end right about there when he's looking towards a door off camera. So I'll use that marker, that end marker, to stop the scene right when he's looking off camera. Well, I want to hold off just a little more, so let me drag that marker out a bit. So he'll be saying, nurse, send in the next patient, and looking at the door. I can move it out just a little more, that marker. Just play with your markers, your in points, your out points, and until you're happy with the scene that you want. So that's going to be my wide shot. And again, I'm going to, save that as an AVI file.